Hello, bonjour. Just a little quick help on some of the activities. We have Conversez as one of your activities you do. Again, they all have points that go toward your weekly VHL grade. This one, Conversez, notice at the top you don't have answer key, but you do have a book page for most activities you can click on, and it will show the vocabulary. There is an actual textbook to this, but we don't have. We have a digital one. But this one will show the pages of the book, and it's good to just review the vocabulary there. Again, good idea to write down any ones you don't know. So there you go. You can blow it up to go, hey, there's bonsoir, à bientôt, à demain, bonne journée, au revoir. Another way to say goodbye, comme ci, comme ça, je vais bien, je vais mal. Again, there's a lot of the ones we did, a couple we didn't get to, but you're good to just look them up here. Like, comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? All that good stuff. And you're totally allowed to open these while you're doing the activity. And the vocabulary list is listed at the top of most of these, and you can listen to these again and practice. I think most of these we wrote down in class. Yeah. Excusez-moi, je vais bien, all the numbers. Great. So this one, when it gives you a word bank, I noticed some people were just using Google Translate and putting some things in. They want you to use the word bank because the computer's going to grade it. So maybe you're not wrong, but it's not going to recognize if you're putting things that aren't right here. So again, au revoir, goodbye. Je m'appelle, my name is. Pas mal, not bad. Bonne journée, have a good day. Je m'appelle Chloé, my name is Chloe. Salut could mean hi or goodbye. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Je vais très bien, I'm doing well. So Matthew and Chloe are talking. What do you think the first thing Matthew's going to say is? Yeah, he's just going to say, Je m'appelle Mathieu. My name is Matthew. And Chloe says, Je m'appelle Chloé. Again, just using words from the box, spell them right, put the accents. Enchanté, comment vas-tu? Nice to meet you. If they just said their names to each other, they're probably going to say, nice to meet you. Comment vas-tu? How are you? You could have either pas mal or je vais très bien. Don't copy both of them, just pick one or the other. Pas mal or je vais très bien. Et toi, how about you? He could say either je vais très bien or pas mal, either one. Merci. Bon, je dois y aller. I have to go. So if they're leaving, are there ones that kind of mean goodbye? Like you could put either au revoir, bonne journée, or salut. Just pick one of those. And he says bonne journée, au revoir, or actually salut kind of works too. So again, pick one of those. If you get it wrong, it says retry, and you just keep going till you get a good score. So hope that helps.